Today, I'm going to answer some common questions that we get about search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is basically, again, like I said, the art form of ranking a website for a particular keyword query or a particular search phrase that you're looking to have higher in the rankings of a search engine. The first question that I typically get is, why does SEO take so long? And this answer is determined off of a variety of different factors. One, your website's age and your popularity. Two, the numbers of keywords that you currently rank for / do not rank for. Three, your determining authority score, which is basically how well are you doing on an SEO basis overall. The ranking for an authority score is basically goes from 0 to 100, with the average at this current point in time really being somewhere around 35. The reason why SEO takes as long as it does now is because you cannot force the machine to put you ahead of competitors very quickly, and the reason why you can't is because you need to build the base, you need to build the level of trust within the search engine and with users that will basically tell them, yes, I can rank this website ahead of competitors because they've done the work to actually achieve this ranking. Essentially, how helpful can you be to your potential customers or your potential clients? If you can do that effectively, then that is the best way to go about achieving that. The next question that I get is, can you do SEO in any industry? And that answer is yes. We can do SEO for basically anything across the board. SEO kind of all functions off of keywords and key phrases, these various different pieces. And the methodology and the processes behind actually doing the task of the search engine optimization really do not necessarily change. The only things that actually change are the keywords that we use and how we kind of interact with content and do certain things there. So if I was going to give a couple of examples of kind of who we can do this for, it would be things like roofers, plumbers. We can do it for real estate companies, medical spas, lawn care businesses, law firms, really just honestly whatever your business is. E-commerce companies are a big one out there. But yes, we can work with any industry. It doesn't matter which one. The process is all the same. The keywords are slightly different. The next question that I typically get is, what sort of results will I see from SEO? So the results that you'll typically see from SEO will vary from industry to industry, thing to thing. And the reason being is every keyword query that you have kind of varies in terms of search engine, traffic, and these various different things like that. So there's never really actually a set number or a set thing of results. The goal of SEO is to get as much traffic as possible that is relevant traffic for people who are looking for your product or your service, whatever it basically ends up being. Typical result time frame for this sort of thing is about 3 to 6 months. The reason being is because you just can't force the machine to rank you ahead of competitors or things along those lines artificially or very quickly. And that concludes some of our common questions that we get for search engine optimization. As always, if you guys have any more, please feel free to reach out to me at info@centauro.com or call our office at 407-923-0109. Again, that's 407-923-0109. We'd be happy to assist you.